Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing 3 easy ways to make repeated cuts with a miter saw. Repeating a cut on a miter saw seems simple, but measuring and marking rarely yields perfectly sized pieces. To get better results, I'm sharing 3 easy ways to cut multiples on a miter saw. The first and most obvious way to repeat a cut is to use the first cut board to size the next cut. Do this by placing the cut board on top of the uncut board with the ends flush. Lower the blade slightly and then slide the 2 boards until the cut board hits the side of the blade. Remove the board and then make the cut. The key is to keep using the same board, not the most recently cut board, so that the measurement doesn't slightly grow over time. The downside of this method is that if there's any slop in your blade, it can shave a bit more off the subsequent cut, so there can still be a bit of variance. The second way to make repetitive cuts is to gang cut, or cut multiple boards at the same time. To do this, stack the boards with their ends flush, and then cut through all the pieces with one cut. The upside is that you get perfectly even cuts. The downside is that this isn't possible if you're making multiple cuts from one board, or if you have so many cuts that you have to work in groups because stacking all the pieces doesn't safely fit under the blade. The third and most reliable solution is to set up a stop block. To do this, make the first cut. Lower and lock the blade in place. Position the stop block at the end of the cut board and clamp it securely in place, either to the fence or to the work surface. Raise the blade, remove the board, and slide an uncut piece into place to make the next cut. The upside of this is a very evenly cut piece with little room for error. The downside is that it can be difficult to set up a stop block if you don't have your miter saw sunken down into a station with level planes on both sides, or the boards are too long to accommodate a stop block on the surface of the station. I hope this information was helpful. For more easy woodworking projects and tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.